this right here is our 12 weeks old Boston Terrier. His name is Spot, and he just had a surgery for a broken leg, and he's very, very tired, but as you can see, he did just fine. They gave him this, I don't remember the name of this thing. It's so that he can mess with his incision. That's where he got the surgery. And again, this is our 12 weeks old Boston Terrier. It's my baby boy Spot. Say hi to the internet, Spot. Yeah, he's very tired. Mama driving home. And Daddy's over here petting him because Daddy was crying like a little baby yesterday. Yeah, he was. Alright. So this is Spot. And we'll come with some updates next, I don't know. I'll wait a couple days and come back and continue this video. Bye, Spot. So tired.